Yes, people, and today we're gonna look how to make some music in your story post. First, we go to the Instagram page. Oh, well, I did it already because I tried before. We click on the plus button at the right top of the corner. And then we can choose a picture, like me here in Santa Claus. Wait, I have to pick the story. Like here in me in Santa Claus, very nice picture. And then you tap at the right top, you tap the emoji in the square, and you see this screen is coming, and you can add some music at the left middle. You see music, and then you can add music whatever you want and whatever you like. So, for example, I want in my Christmas theme, I want Mariah Carey. And you see the music is already playing. My sound is off for now because otherwise I get copyright claims and I don't want that. So if you tap on the lyrics, you can change the lyrics a little bit. You can change the font of the lyrics, or the color of the lyrics, sorry. And well, now it's in orange. Nice, very nice Christmas color. You tap it again, you see, and if you tap it a few times, you see the cover of Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas. Then you see a big cover, and also at the bottom, you can change the part of the song. So if you want to go to the end, well, you see the white little line is moving around the song. So. And also you can change the time. You can change the time by pressing on the 15 seconds on the left. You can change it to 5, to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 15 seconds long. So, well, that's it. We press done, and you can press left at the bottom. You put it on your story, and you have some nice Mariah Carey Christmas song on your story. Well, you can do it by every song you want because it's related to Spotify. It's connected to Spotify, so you can add some nice music to your story. If I helped you, please don't forget to like this video and press the subscribe button. And well, maybe see you next time. Goodbye.